What time is it right now? Like, just look at your phone, your computer. What time is it? Do you see any repeating numbers, like ones or fives or fours? Maybe it's happening right now. Maybe it's not. But it's happened to you, right? You just stop and you see these repeating numbers and you're like, huh? That's weird. Well, when you learn what they mean and what to do for a few seconds after, you are going to see money start to show up in your life. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you are going to start seeing repeating numbers everywhere. On your phone, on your clock, on your bank account, on the addresses of the places you're going, on your receipts. They're going to show up everywhere. And every time you see them, it's going to be a signal. It's a signal that money is trying to find you and that numbers are speaking to you through symbolism. So you have to get ready. But you know what I mean, right? You've seen it. Maybe a lot. You glance at your phone and you see 11:11 again. You look up right at the microwave. Oh, geez, my macaroni's on fire. I shouldn't have left it on for 4 hours and 44 minutes. Now I got a problem. Just joking. But you're driving, right? And you check the clock and it's 5:55. And you see the same numbers. Like, you might see the same one for weeks. And every time there's a little voice in your head and it's like, that's weird. And then you forget about it. But what if it's not random? What if those numbers have been trying to get your attention this whole time? And almost nobody knows what they mean. It's kind of weird, right? It's like, we all know they must mean something. I mean, even my 5-year-old daughter, who's starting to learn how to tell time, she notices it. Like, hey, all the numbers are 4 on the oven. It's like everybody notices, but we don't know what it means. And more importantly, we don't know what to do in those few seconds after you see the repeating numbers. And once you know what to do, it's going to change your entire flow around money and how much money starts coming to you. Like, think about it. Pretend your name's like Susie or Bob. Susie and Bob, they keep seeing 11:11 on their phone. And then they see it on the receipt. And then, like, they go to the next store and it's the exact total of what they owe. And the universe is speaking to you. And it's like, hey, Susie, hey, Bob, Bobby boy, Bob, are you listening? It's happening. Susie, Bob, are you paying attention? But Susie and Bob aren't paying attention. They're just like, oh, wow, that's weird and so cool and so mysterious. And I really need to pay my electricity bill. And then they forget about the numbers. They forget about what it means. And it was a sign. The door opened, and then you walked right past it. It's kind of like you're at a green light, but you don't realize it's a green light because your foot's still on the brakes. You're sitting there, you think it's a red light. You don't even know what's happening. And speaking of green lights, Matthew McConaughey, the actor, he has a new book. It's called Green Lights. It's a really amazing book. If you've read it, give me a comment down below that says green lights in the comments. Right? Because the universe is using green lights to try to tell you something. The numbers are the green lights. So I read this book and I like it so much I finish it in a couple days. And then that weekend, my wife and I are heading out on a vacation without our kids, just doing a little romantic getaway. So we go to this really cool, super remote hotel on lots of land near a national park, and there's only like 15 rooms or something. And it's just the prettiest place that I've ever been to in my entire life. And they got an amazing spa and a steam room and all that kind of stuff. So I decide I'm gonna go in the steam room. Guess who's there? Some guy named Bob. No, I'm just joking. There was two people. I kid you not. It was Matthew McConaughey and his wife.
All right.
I walk in. Literally, it's just Matthew McConaughey and his wife. And I'm like, dude, I just read your book last week. And he's like, all right. He didn't actually say that. But really, that's what happened. We started talking about his book, right? Now, the scope of that conversation isn't the point of the video. It's that these types of synchronicities happen and the green lights start to show up. When you think about Pythagoras, that guy we learned about in math class, he says that the whole universe is based off of numbers. And Carl Jung, he said that every coincidence actually means something. It's like when the same sign keeps showing up, something big's about to happen. He called it actually a synchronicity. It's a coincidence with a meaning. Same thing in the Bible. These signs keep showing up to get your attention. So why do you keep seeing the same number? You've got a filter on your brain, and that decides what you notice. In scientific terms, it's called the reticular activating system. And it locks on to something after you've already consciously noticed it. So if you're seeing the number, that's the proof, and then your subconscious is already onto it. And that number is a message from the part of you that is actually building your life. So when you see these numbers, that little control door on your brain that runs the control center, there's a little door to the control center of your life. That door opens up when you see the repeating numbers, but just for a very brief period of time. And the next 60 seconds after you see those repeating numbers determines whether you get into that control center or if the door just closes right in your face again. It decides whether that number that you keep seeing will lead to a random opportunity out of nowhere. Right? Those 60 seconds after you see the repeating number, that determines whether you get a green light. Like whether the universe is going to hit the gas pedal. And then you're going to get a totally unexpected breakthrough, money out of nowhere, a new job, a promotion, whatever else, running into Matthew McConaughey in the steam room. Like those 60 seconds determine whether you get those green lights over the next couple hours and over the next couple days. Or if nothing happens, and then you just get stuck at another red light. Oh, another red light, right? So the numbers are just telling you to get ready. You got 1111. That means everything's lining up. So that means the light just turned green for you. So whatever you've been working on or hoping for, whatever you're thinking or feeling, it's correct. That's what it's telling you. And by the way, before I break down some of the other numbers and then show you this very quick and very important thing that you need to do that only takes a couple seconds, and you do it whenever you see these repeating numbers, and then that's going to open the door for the green lights, for the money to show up, the opportunity to show up, and for things to happen very fast. Because if you catch these very, very important moments of synchronicities when they occur, which is to say you recognize the green light, when you capture that window, you can actually have things manifest in your life within minutes, within hours. And one of the most powerful ways to create these kinds of synchronicities is by programming your subconscious for it. And I created a free financial success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. You can click right there to get it, or it's pinned to the comments and in the description right there down below. Over 1 million people from all over the world have used it. Pretty much every country you can possibly imagine. Every day I get crazy stories. Like I've had a woman in a remote area of Africa. She started listening to it. Her business took off. She sent us a photo of the house that she bought and built. I've had people, I was jobless, and now I've got so many job opportunities, I don't know what to do. I've had people, my house has been on the market for a year, I can't sell it. And then I ended up being able to sell it right away, and I got what I wanted in terms of asking price. things happen really fast. Just listen to it. You don't have to do anything. It's going to actually turn your subconscious mind into a magnet for financial synchronicities and unexpected financial breakthroughs that start to happen. It's free. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's pinned to the comments and in the description right there down below. Now, the next number is 444. And this is about a foundation. It's saying that help is on the way, things are stable, or they're going to be stable. So it's a message of balance, support, that there's long-term, consistent opportunities. Next is 555. It's telling you change is coming. Your money's about to move, or you're going to get a new job, or a new client, or a new opportunity. And it's telling you, don't grip so tight to the old, that things are actually changing in your favor. So I like to say, if not this, then something better. If not this, then something better. You can comment that down below. If not this, then something better. If not this, then something better. That energy is so powerful for creativity and manifesting. Now, I used to roll my eyes at stuff like this. So if you feel a little bit silly, I understand. And then I met my mentor, Bob Proctor, and he told me something. He said that the universe is actually always talking to you. Most people just have the volume so turned down they can't hear what it's telling them. And right when things started turning around, I could not stop seeing 11s everywhere. Right? So instead of just going, that's weird, why do I keep seeing it? I stopped and I just said, thank you. It's already happening for me. Thank you. It's already happening for me. But there's an important part in that. It's not happening to me. It's happening for me. It's not happening to you. Life is not happening to you. Life is happening for you. So you can just stop for a second and you can feel that. You can just ask yourself, how does it feel to know it's already happening for me? And that little acknowledgement that you start to make, that little pause when you start answering, that pause actually speeds everything up. It actually speeds up that window so that things start happening in your life faster. It's a paradox. When you pause to become aware of the energy, you tap into the energy, which actually speeds everything up so that you have a huge breakthrough. Unexpected things happen faster. Not only faster than it usually is, but faster than you can possibly imagine. So now this is exactly what to do. Just 3 simple steps. Every time you see the repeating numbers, you're going to catch it, and then you're going to claim it, and then you are going to carry it. So when I say catch it, the second that you see it, just freeze for a moment. Don't scroll, don't look away, don't walk away, don't do the next thing. Most people see the sign, everybody gets them, but they just blow past them. So instead you're going to stop. You just say to yourself, I see it, I'm paying attention. Remember, when you pause, you actually speed up the process. Right? So you can ask yourself, what is this trying to tell me? And that little pause is opening the door for you instead of having it close right in your face. Step number 2 is to claim it. You can do this out loud, or you can do this just in your head. If there's people around and you don't want to seem like you're a total freak, and you just say, thank you. That the money is on its way. It's already mine. Thank you. The money's on its way. It's already mine. You comment that down below and just affirm it to yourself. Tap into that feeling. Thank you. The money is on the way. Thank you. The money is on the way. Just declare it right into the comments. Thank you. The money is on the way. Right? So this isn't about hope. It's not about maybe. It's about all right. Just to use another Matthew McConaughey line and beat it like a dead horse, right? So you claim it. It's like when you get a text for the delivery package, you don't hope that it shows up unless your delivery person drops your package off at your neighbor's and then you still get a notification that it was delivered, and then you walk outside and it's not there and you're like, dude, I don't see my package. Where did it go? Did someone steal it? And then like 2 weeks later, after your neighbor takes their sweet time, they walk 11 feet from their house to your house, and then they put it at your door and they're like, hey, I got your package. And you're like, didn't you get this like a month ago? So not like that. Instead, you see the notification, it's out for delivery. You already know it's coming. And then step number 3 is to carry it. And this is the one that really makes it feel real. So for the 60 seconds after, just carry that feeling. You picture the money, it's already here. You see the number in your bank account that makes you like exhale a sigh of relief, like, yeah, right? You feel the excitement that new things are coming. You feel the relief that the bills are getting paid. Like you hear someone that you love and they say like, yo, it came through. The money came through, right? It's a feeling. The number opens the door. The feeling walks you through. And it only takes a few seconds, right? So whatever that number is for you, 1111, it's 4s, it's 5s, it's 11s, whatever the number is, just let me know in the comments down below what number has been following you around. And what's funny is when you read the comments, you're going to see how many people from different parts of the world, they're all seeing the same thing. One person lives in like far the other side of the world. I don't know. Can't think of a country. And you live the other side. But you guys are seeing the same thing, right? So these numbers, they're pointing you. And when you start to notice them, things start to shift. Your brain is going to start showing you new financial opportunities, and it's going to create them without your conscious effort because now you're tuned in. And once you see it, you can't unsee it because the opportunities are always there, and they were always there. You just weren't ready for them. It's like they were speaking a different language. So the next time you see the number, just stop, just catch it, just claim it, and then carry that feeling. Carry it. And if you want it to hit even harder and move even faster and see things shift even quicker, download my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's pinned to the comments. It's in the description right there down below, or you can click right over here to get that. When you see these numbers, it is pointing you to a very specific message. And it is telling you to get ready because there are things with your name written on them that are waiting for you to actually call them in.